In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Canva. We'll walk through the two most common ways to copy text in Canva, the context menu and keyboard shortcuts, and finish with a quick duplication tip that's great for layouts. Follow along inside any Canva presentation or design that has a sample text box ready to use. Start by opening your design so you can see the sample text on the canvas. Click directly on the text area to place your cursor inside the text box. Now click and drag across the words to highlight them. You should see the text become selected, which tells Canva exactly which characters you want to copy. With the text highlighted, right-click on it and choose Copy from the menu. This copies just the text you selected, not the entire text box. Next, right-click anywhere on the canvas where you want that copied text to appear, and choose Paste. Canva will insert the text, keeping the formatting from the original selection. You can then click and drag to reposition it as needed. If you'd like to copy the entire text box, style, size, font, effects, and all, click once on the text box to select the whole element rather than placing your cursor inside it. With the box selected, press Ctrl+C to copy, then press Ctrl+V to paste. On a Mac, use Command+C and Command+V. This method duplicates the complete text element, which is perfect when you want multiple matching headings or captions. After pasting, move the new text box into place and edit the content without losing the design style. As a faster, design-friendly trick, select the text box, hold the Alt key, then left-click and drag the box to a new spot. Release the mouse to drop a duplicate. On a Mac, use the Option key. This gesture is great for building grids or repeating labels quickly, and it keeps your workflow fluid without opening menus. A few quick tips as you work. If your browser ever blocks the right-click menu, the keyboard shortcuts will always work. If pasting places the content on top of the original, just drag the new copy to where you want it. And remember, highlighting text copies the characters inside the box, while selecting the box copies the entire styled element. Choose the method that fits your goal. That's it. Now you know how to copy and paste text in Canva with confidence.